Introducing the BMW X8, the epitome of luxury and innovation in the automotive world. In this video, we'll delve into the remarkable features and advancements of the BMW X8, set to revolutionize the SUV landscape in 2025. Step inside the BMW X8, and you're greeted by a fusion of opulence and cutting-edge technology. The cabin is meticulously crafted with premium materials, offering unparalleled comfort and refinement for both driver and passengers. At the heart of the BMW X8 lies a state-of-the-art infotainment system, seamlessly integrated with intuitive controls and an expansive touchscreen display. Whether it's navigation, entertainment, or connectivity, the X8 keeps you effortlessly in control, enhancing every journey. Beneath its elegant exterior, the BMW X8 boasts formidable performance capabilities. Equipped with a range of powerful engine options, including hybrid and electric variants, the X8 delivers exhilarating performance while maintaining exceptional efficiency. Its advanced suspension system ensures a smooth and dynamic ride, whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling challenging terrain. Safety is paramount in the BMW X8, with a suite of intelligent driving assistance technologies that provide peace of mind on every drive. From adaptive cruise control to lane keeping assist, the X8 actively helps you stay safe and focused on the road ahead. From every angle, the BMW X8 exudes confidence and sophistication. Its bold proportions, distinctive grille, and sleek lines make a powerful statement on the road, setting it apart from the crowd with its unmistakable presence. Innovation, luxury, and performance converge in the BMW X8, redefining the SUV experience for the modern era. Stay tuned for more updates and insights into the world of automotive excellence. Thanks for watching.